Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating a new project and selecting Empty Project so you control structure from the first measure. Once done, pick the correct sample rate, 44. 1 kHz for music, 48 kHz for video, to avoid later resampling issues. Create a software instrument track for virtual synths or an audio track for a mic/guitar, then open Preferences and choose your audio input and output device. Plus a modest buffer size to reduce latency. You'll record with intention. Arm the track, enable input monitoring to hear yourself, and use count-in to lock timing. For tricky parts, toggle cycle and loop a region so you can compile multiple takes into a take folder and choose the best phrases. Once you capture material, quantize MIDI when timing needs tightening and use flex time to fix audio without destructive edits. Then drag and stack regions on the timeline to build verse, chorus, and transitions. You finish by mixing. Apply EQ to carve space, compress for level control, and add reverb for depth. Use sends and buses to process groups efficiently. Make sure your master bus peaks below 0 dBFS, then bounce to WAV or AAC at the bit depth required by your delivery. If you encounter latency while recording, increase the buffer. If CPU overloads cause glitches, freeze or bounce heavy tracks and reduce plugin instances. This preserves session integrity and keeps you moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.